Hi everyone, these are my climbing grapevines. Last year we took them out of the ground and put them in these buckets down here. They're doing a lot better. Put them against this fence so they can climb. Water them well, and I'm going to be putting some fresh dirt on the pots. It'll have fertilizer in it, and it just started growing within a month or so. This is how big it's gotten. We'll keep them here and just let them attach to the fence. Nice and healthy. And we got some grapes that are going to be starting right there so far. And over here, seems like a lot starting. Bye-bye for now.